Okay, in this video, we're going to create a graphic organizer just to remind us our different rules and characteristics with logarithms. First off, the difference between a common log and a natural log. The common log is a base 10 logarithm, and we write it as just the log of whatever value. We'll call it log x. A natural log is a log with a base e, and we write it as an ln of whatever value, and we will say just the ln of x. Your basic properties, log base b of 1, doesn't matter what the base is, b to what power is 1, any log of 1 will always be 0, because anything to the 0 power is 1. B to what powers itself would be to the first power, so that'd be like some examples. Log base 6 of 1 would be 6 to the 0 power is 1. Or example 2, log base 4 to what power is 4 would be 1 there. Product property, the log of something times something, we can split into a sum. That'd be log base b of m plus the log base b of n. So we can use that to condense logarithms. Log of 8 plus log of 3x would be log base 3 of, we can do 8 times 3x, which would be 24x. Or we can use it to expand. I know this is the natural log. Let me go ahead and factor this. 2 sets of parentheses, and this, we're doing the natural log of all of this. X times itself, adds, multiplies as a negative 2 and a positive 1. So we could write this as the natural log of x minus 2 plus the natural log of x plus 1. So we can use that product rule to expand it as well. The quotient rule, or quotient property, the log of a quotient would be the log of the top minus the log of the bottom. We can use that to condense. Log of 80 minus log of 16 is the log of 80 divided by 16, or just the log of 5. Or we can use it to expand. Log base 2 of x over 5, we can write as log base 2 of x minus log base 2 of 5. Next up, your power rule says that if you have a log of something to a power, that power can be moved down front. So we could rewrite this as n times log base b of m. Let's use it. So we could take this power and move it back up top. We could condense it by doing the natural log of 9 to the third. And again, we could leave it like that, or we could do the natural log of 729. Or we can use it to expand it. So a power can be moved back down front. We could write this as 2x times log base 7 of 3. Next up, change of base formula. If you have a log base b and you need to type it into your calculator, log base b of a could be written or typed into your calculator as the log of a divided by the log of b and change it to a base 10. Or you could change it to a natural log base. You could do the natural log of a over the natural log of b and change it to a base e. So either one of those would work. So to type this into the calculator, log base 5 of 138, you would do the log of 138 divided by the log of 5. And that would be about 3.0615. Or another one, you could change it again to a natural log if you wanted to. You could do log of 2 divided by log of 14, or natural log of 2 divided by the natural log of 14. Either one would give you the exact same answer of 0.2626. So you could work it either way.